listen, real fast.
No, why am I being stopped?
Because why am
I being
you
stopped?
have no legitimate purpose what you're doing.
I have a legitimate purpose.
Not to walk down the road, put a sign out.
I have the right to protest.
You have all the right to protest in your life if you want
Executive Order 107.
Listen, stop for 1 minute.
Go ahead.
I'm not trying to argue it here.
You're trying to stop me from conducting legal activity.
Can you listen?
No, Sergeant.
Can you listen?
No, Sergeant.
Listen, right now.
Am I being detained?
Right now, yes, you are.
For what?
Right now, I don't know if you need to go to mental health.
Hey everyone, I'm putting this video together for NJ Watchman. He was accosted by police officers for allegedly violating Executive Order 107 put in place by the governor of New Jersey. He's visibly and reasonably upset for being unlawfully detained by these officers, and then they even try to 5150 him. Personally, I feel he did a great job handling this, because wouldn't you be a little angry if your freedom was disrupted for no good reason? Watch the video and please go subscribe to NJ Watchman. His link is in the description.
He just informed he's out with a walker. 31 South and 513.
Appreciate it.
100, send the north car up here, please.
Responding. What is your standard shape?
Listen, real fast.
No, why am I being stopped?
Because
Why am I being
you have
stopped?
no legitimate purpose what you're doing.
I have a legitimate purpose.
Not to walk down the road, put a sign out.
I have a legitimate purpose. Whether you believe it or not, I do.
What's your legitimate purpose?
I am protesting. I have the right to protest.
What are you protesting?
I have no other information to provide at this time. Get me a lawyer if you want to ask me any more questions.
Who is it? Isn't this a French?
I am allowed to be on a public highway. I am not conducting anything illegal under Executive Order 107. I am allowed to conduct outdoor activities. Why am I being stopped?
I told you. What is your problem?
Again, under Executive Order 107, which is your claim to be stopping me, I'm allowed to conduct outdoor activities.
No, that's not why we're stopping. You're holding
That's what he claimed.
Yeah.
And I wasn't holding anything up.
I saw you.
I wasn't holding anything up. Do you have it on camera?
I saw you.
Do you have it on camera? My question is, do you have it on camera?
Listen.
No, because again, I am not doing anything illegal. I am allowed to stand on here with a sign. I am not doing anything illegal.
Listen.
So why am I being detained?
Listen, why don't you listen for a minute?
No, because I want to know
why don't you listen for a minute?
Why am I being detained?
Why don't you listen? Why don't you listen for a moment?
What's your badge number, Sergeant?
43. Why don't you listen for a minute?
By all means,
okay.
sir.
You have all the right to protest in your life if you want.
Executive Order 107.
Listen, stop for 1 minute.
Go ahead.
I'm not trying to argue it here.
You're trying to stop me from conducting legal activity.
Listen, you gotta calm down.
No, you're stopping me from conducting legal activity.
You have to calm down.
You're a tyrant.
You have to calm down.
Why am I being stopped?
Because you're irrational.
Why am I being stopped?
Listen, you're being
irrational because you're stopping me for something illegal.
You're not listening.
You're stopping me for something illegal.
You cannot be walking
I'm angry because you're stopping me for something illegal.
Listen,
you claim that I'm being stopped for Executive Order 107?
Listen. Can you listen?
No, Sergeant.
Can you listen?
No, Sergeant.
Listen.
No, officer.
Listen.
No, officer.
You're not listening.
No, officer. You're detaining me? Am I being detained?
Listen, right now.
Am I being detained?
Right now, yes, you are.
For what?
Right now, I don't know if you need to go to mental health. You might need to go to mental health.
Again,
I think your erratic behavior. Your erratic behavior.
I'm being harassed by
you might be a threat to the public. You might be a threat to the public and might need to go to hospital.
You're violent.
Listen.
You're stopping me for something I didn't do.
You have nothing rational to be screaming at. You have nothing to be at control with.
I hope you have.
So I'm just trying to talk to you to figure out what's going on if you need help.
I don't want to be a part of this investigation any longer.
Listen.
I don't want to be a part of this investigation any longer.
I am going to call mental health and have you done if you need it. You're not acting normal.
I don't need mental health, sir. I don't want to be a part of this investigation any longer. I am being told by you, Sergeant, that you're stopping me for Executive Order 107.
You have no legitimate person being out here doing it.
And again, I am conducting outdoor activities. I am...
What athletic activities are you conducting?
I am conducting athletic
You're walking
activities.
around with signs holding them
I'm
up.
protesting. I'm allowed to do so.
What are you protesting?
I am protesting.
You have to have a protest.
To do so.
What does your sign say?
It's irrelevant.
What does the back of the sign say?
I am not being a part of your investigation any longer.
Okay. Stop, sir. I'm telling you.
No, I'm not stopping. You're stopping me under a law that's not relevant. Well, Executive Order 107 clearly states
Do you
I am
see
allowed
how-
to protest and I'm allowed to conduct outdoor activities
Yeah.
by myself. I have a mask on, which is social distancing, and you decided to come to me. So again, I am not doing anything illegal.
Listen.
No,
you are
I'm
not
not
acting
listening.
rational. You are not acting rational.
Again,
You're
could
acting
you
like
stop me?
probably someone
Again.
has psychological issues
Again,
that
because you
needs
stopped
help
me.
and treatment.
Again,
All right,
because you
sit with
stopped
him.
me
Just stay with him
for
for 1 second.
Executive Order 107. What am I being detained for? What crime?
Community welfare. You walked away again. I'm going to lock you up. Right now you have an issue. You're a psychological problem. You're a threat to this society. You're a threat to this society. Walk away again, and you're going to get locked up. Stay there.
Area of Country Hall Road in Lower. From the area of Country Hall Road. I'm advising it sounds like it's coming from the railroad tracks in the area. She's going down the railroad track.
He has some serious psychological problems.
The same sign as he had before.
Yeah. And
Where is it coming from?
I guess Rita's now. He's working there. He has a Rita shirt on. He's serving no legitimate purpose. He's just wandering around aimlessly.
Well, I saw him. What's the sign? He's turning and facing traffic.
Want to call Sweeney and see?
I tried calling him. He won't answer. What's the sign say? It says THUCK. I see that.
And then he has, slow down police that traps ahead and all kinds of crazy stuff.
Under Executive Order 107, how am I supposed to say Executive Order 107 when I expect from the outdoor activities and protest? So I'm asking you, because you're in a law enforcement officer, not a title, as a fact, that you are enforcing the law.
It's almost like a mental health evaluation. He's out of control. His eyes are pinpoint.
As soon as you start talking, put right in there.
I don't know. He's just out of control.
Last time they dealt with him, he did the same thing. And then he called mental health on himself. He wanted a mental health job. He's allowed to go to and from work. He's allowed to leave work. He's going, you know, they said you're going to going and killing him.
Let's talk to him.
Just say to him, say, where are you? go? Like, where do you come
What
from?
crime have I committed, sir?
Can you stop? I haven't even spoken to you. Stop.
Lieutenant, I would like to know why I'm being detained. So again, you have had time to talk to your sergeant. I'd like to know why am I being detained.
All right, listen.
And I said you
I got a question. Let me ask you a question.
I don't choose to answer any more questions at
Are
this
you
time.
coming from work?
Yes.
Okay. That's all I needed to know.
So again, why am I being stopped? No. I'm choosing to stay here now.
Well, then stay.
Okay.
But if you hold that sign up to the public,
I am allowed to do so.
No, you're not.
Says who? What law? Under what law? Under what law, Sergeant Lieutenant? DeRusso, under what law?
Let's go.
Under what law?
I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing. This is the question. You
do it
chose to
again,
ask me a question.
you're
Why
gonna
can't I ask you one?
Do it again. You're disrupting the public.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not,
Hold
because
that
there has not been a call against my sign. Understand that, Lieutenant.
Enjoy.
Under the circumstances of somebody has to call. And it says I am allowed. I'm telling you, it's a complex.
72.
Here's it.
You give me the finger. Giving the middle finger in view of the public.
Yeah.
What's going to mail him a complaint?
All right.
We'll know.